Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to OUKITEL WP50. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then choose the same options in both to set them up. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of an Android. Then receive right next to Send at the bottom of OUKITEL. Also on an Android, thanks to all of those categories at the top, select multiple files you wish to transfer. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it, in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. If you want to connect by inputting this key, hit Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and choose Receive button. To scan the QR code though, use scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!